This is a method how you cut chess pieces out of wood on the bandsaw. My name is Pieter Delpoort. This is video number 1 of 4 videos that explain in detail how to go about it. Here are 2 unique styles of chess sets. There are hundreds of designs to choose from, and even your own original design can be used. The overall shape of the chess piece is required. What the front looks like and what the side looks like. Here are outside line views of the 2 drawings. The 2 outside lines of the drawings will be used to cut out the chess piece on the bandsaw. This is the drawing of a king chess piece. On the left is the front view and on the right is the side view. A center line is needed and at least 2 horizontal lines. These lines will be used to place the 2 drawings exactly in the correct position when they are glued onto the block of wood. The 2 drawings are cut to a frame size of 50 by 115 mm, which is the same size as the prepared block of wood. A small piece is cut away so the center line can be seen when the drawing is glued to the block of wood. This is a block of yellow wood of which the chess piece will be made out of. The 2 sides where the drawing will be glued on have been marked with center line marks. The drawing is lined up to the center lines and tied down with sellotape on one edge. Lift the drawing up and add glue to the wood. Not too much, then bring the paper down and the drawing will be in place. The next step is to glue the side view drawing. With the front view in place, the 2 horizontal lines of both drawings must line up. Place the second drawing in the center and match the 2 sets of horizontal lines. Add the sellotape and apply the glue. Now that the drawings are glued on, the block is ready to be cut on the bandsaw. The front view first. The sides of the front view must remain in one piece. They will be used when the side view is cut. These sides will be cut away in video number 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in video number 2. Also like my video.